What's up, guys? As you can see, I'm on a red Yamaha R6. It's a 2000 and that's 12,000 miles. Runs clean, man. Tires are good. Chain is pretty good too. Clean bike, aftermarket bar, a little thing for the phone. I never even used one of these, so I don't even know if I trust my phone there. I'm sure it works though. I can't take it too fast. Runs good though. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through here. Oh shit. Never mind. Pull over to the side. Alright, let them pass by. Now let's go. Runs good. Runs good. Oh, the blinkers on? Do they work? Both of them? Yeah. Oh yeah. Or
Would it turn both on? At
Yeah.
the same time? Yeah, both. Oh. Daniel? Yeah. Yeah, I'll go get that.
well, as you can see, we got the bike. It's time to ride home. This beautiful view right here. Nothing but nice curves, straightaways, and cows and hills, dry grass. Better than looking at city. Fuck. God damn. That was like one of the worst rides I've ever been in. Right there. Super windy. There's barely any wind, but once you go fucking fast, you feel that wind right there next to you. I think it was pushing me all the way to the right. I was scared I was gonna eat shit. Okay, so around here is where I bought my motorcycle. I bought the R6. There's a summer of school over here. I'll show you guys. Right here. Right to my left. Right there. I met up the guy right there in those parking space. Took it for a nice ride. And that's how I got my R6. Now, I came to buy the R6. Well, I didn't buy the R6, but I came to get the R6. Alright, let's ride home. Damn, this bike rides smooth. I notice whenever I ride, I hold on to the handlebars really tight. I feel like more secure, but that's not the right thing to do. You gotta loosen them up. It's like that, oh my god, my hands get super tired. Remember when I bought my motorcycle and I was coming down here, oh, my hands were like super tired. They I just wanted to like literally just stop on the side of the road and rest, but just gotta relax your hands and then just move with the bike. I hate being next to trailers, man. One time I almost got hit by one of them already. I was entering a freeway. The motherfucker moved because he saw me, but then I don't know, he thought I stayed behind or I passed him, I don't know what he thought, and he was trying to swerve into my lane already. That was like one of the scariest moments. I used to have a pit bull. They ran into the house one day and they went right to they have little birds in the cage. They went right to the birds, and I told the guy, oh, can you get my pit bull? They just would look at me like, what the fuck? Like, I don't know if they didn't understand. I was talking Spanish. Like, I don't even think they understood me, but I'm like, oh, okay, but like, can you get my dog? And like, I think they were scared of it. They were just looking at the dog like, what the fuck? Because it was a great pit bull. It was a nice pit bull. It was a nice dog too, but it ran into the house. It liked chasing birds. Yeah, and I went inside of the house. I just grabbed it and left. I didn't even tell them anything. I'm like, okay then. Ooh, but damn, that was a nice fucking ride. Oh. Well, look at this baby. It's a beautiful bike, honestly. Good thing he got it. Got it for a good deal too. And then not a lot of less miles than mine. Aftermarket. A lot of aftermarket parts like the bar, this. What else? Has a little gas tank cover. All that stuff. But yeah. Delta Box 2. Wonder what that means.